Sesi amika say ye kwentwa migina tema na ayonkofo mienu enya se na ayonkofo baako enyem na ne onyem na adamfo enya eye police case ntine wo say adamfo papa odi na chi ekọ police station wo ekọ kansa na se bill bi kra wo de manu nti e wo tema quarantine 22 police station wo e ho na asem no ekodu no mo ko na case no ya tam akọ eye community 18 na wo say ya transform mo ko nti o mo ko ye no police ni ba ko ehu eye adamfo na wonyem no na case BS na se BS na eye opemfo no wo sesa nipa no bone na ekoso no wo pemfo no sesa nipa ye hwe CCTV camera na apolice ni say enye sister enye ni odi bone ni ene kikirikiki ono so ya che no ne ebe ma ye hu ana se police eye ka asem se ye be detain no na waka no krese sa bone we me na media na se ye me no kikirikiki ekoso na opemfo ye twa na so se hu every one na hwan na twa ye eye police no na etwa na so a ama sa nsem nyina akoso na Omanhene etnas wo mo so ebobo nsem we hu ne sirbe ne ma ya ba ya police for no tam sekan etwa opemfo yi aso yenko Omanhene aso yenko ginchiremu mra sisia
community 2 story be a police ni be aka obi aso said what's the details
nti ochana so
ochai
yeah ochana so
no so why in the day
that was during interrogation nti petition I crowd and say lawyer no and Dunia J. Kati.
Okay.
Into a petition we the Inspector General of Police. Yeah. Basically on the case. Into let's make the picture in the crowd show. So this is the picture.
Oh, what channel? Oba.
Yeah, Oba. And at the time the incident happened, from the petition, normal purchase, and the lady was pregnant actually. And the lady is still actually pregnant. She was a pregnant woman.
Yeah. No, the police man there. Police bear now Oba.
Bema. Please.
No, so the
dean was say. Yeah, but I'm gonna say according to the petition, or say that down for be any case. On your case, no, no, dean down for nichi a call. Police station. Person may pick it the right name of the police station. So they were transferred to the Community 8 police station.
Community 8, okay.
Yeah, Community 8 police station. Police officer no Clement Suputo. And he said during the interrogations, no, and I could be say. Please, Suputo no. Or catch a woman say you did na down for nechi. I call police station. Say or say.
Obi man
be omuhu no or commit another crime in the CCTV footage. So that was the issue.
And in the friend also interrogating
or friend also or interrogating or didn't call another room.
Yes.
And she during the interrogation process, no, just to get her to confess as he wanted, and offer you see metallic device. Yeah. They said now at the time that the incident happened, there was another police officer, woman.
Yes.
Not Oti Rome Honeybee. She was disgusted by it, but you say I on Tijai. I didn't know person no.
It did not or expect to say onya sa confession statement na.
Yeah.
Sa confession statement no or the court be confession statement when you under duress you know the court
that's the thing.
Obanos could do in Casa and
that will be to maka ya she was so
Ghana for obi and no we Ghana for na crowd we say baba kon baba so obenya sa story ya mo mo swatch you Ghana for no be say na who be dey
and see the young one the crowd and say yes it up Ochana so according to the petition Ochana so we I will say moja air banner. So sometimes you be uncover rushing the hospital to see how best they could, attach the ear back. But in the time on Beko Hospital no krana. There was nothing they could use. They could use it for. But at the point in the interrogation room, at the point in the interrogation room, according to the petition,
yes,
on my lady time a lady in Filipino, on my lady marijuana. Yeah, and that's stated in the petition to the IGP.
Now I know a tough guy. Or the dano.
Yeah, the police in there talk.
Or the dano
marijuana to soothe the pain.
Yeah, okay.
But the lady
or the dano complete. Oh, hiding in the diagram.
The police in the crime.
But Omano, according to the petition, Omano marijuana to soothe the pain. And
can you what you I'm telling you, Mr. Dami tea Agbagba enjoy them. Now Agbagba radio coffee free. Say na end the
No, but let's also say these are the facts as we have it in the petition. A one-sided story.
But only the hard was I know how we are. Only the other hard. No, be a number of them. You have a frog to the bar. Now chambers so them say will be Banu as Sunday a bro to the good. Now Babano cast them on our cock.
But we read it from the petition.
And I make us Babano cast them chon. My brother, don't just discard the brand that
no. Dabi, Menka say
the whole year no. Say multimedia and joy being there longer. It's 1%, 0.1.
I know. The American say we know what fact contained in the petition a lawyer.
We have to start going for LLB and try the Macola and see what
True.
Now any attempt to be or mind the old kind of say woman who's when you would
that's serious, and I hope the IGP would work on this petition and make sure because we cannot allow these things to happen. In fact, opposite would confession statement in part, and until another policewoman a buy, because there should be a witness, and what's unya confession no and force anyway that yes it will not be admissible in court you know one interesting
Clement Suputo Community 8 police station I'm sure police is still investigating
no ban
the picture
I saw say we fair but I have to say we already but when they send any crew no obet many police in our corner
because Siana Suno I can't have picture ni
Udru anyone out audio Ama Dominic anyone out audio Ama Dominic better swama ama yetimi ahwe na yedase agbagba yedase pa Michelle Maxwell agbagba very hard working reporters in the Joy News
Odru Safo
Odru Safo
so da must pass na the August na him for quality
but now Augustine point I know making it say apparently 49-year-old na president Nafanas the prime minister no ono na Senegal for ni bebre na pe no but no he was barred from contesting. And of course, and the support of them are 44-year-old now or no 80 winning. And I will show fidelity to him. Our fan of us.
That's very good.
Prime Minister.
Straight away,
good take off. It's true. I'm hoping, and man, unim say or no, ne election way no. A big statement for the youth across Africa. So why are you successful? Pay you
get yourself prepared and ready. Now, for Menka say me dasi for drawing my attention. So for Reverend Frata.
Yes.
I say we do say. I saw for ni bi on me say don't draw my attention to it. You know, on me so me to me say the okay.
I saw for ni be solid.
No, so say na me say unfortunately do no cover up. Be no.
Unfortunately, so again because of the freedom of association in our country. And about religious choice near there.
Me da se o je bread twem ye kwen twom akra.